Start. The present appellants, instead of assailing the order in original in a statutory appeal, approached the High Court of Gujarat by filing a special civil application inter alia challenging the constitutional validity of the provision of Section 151A of the Customs Act 1962 bracket for short the Act bracket close, and also put in issue the legality and validity of the standing order issued by the Chief Commissioner of Customs, Mumbai, with regard to the valuation of plastic items. It appears that few other special civil applications raising identical issues were pending before the High Court of Gujarat. These special civil applications were heard together by the division bench and disposed of void order dated 4/4/2001. The division bench did not find any merit insofar as the constitutional validity of Section 151A of the Act was concerned. As regards the power of the Chief Commissioner of Customs to issue the impugned standing order to the subordinate assessing authorities on the question of assessment of value of the concerned goods for imposing customs duty, the division bench held that the impugned standing order was not rigid direction or mandate, but was only instructions containing flexible guidelines. The High Court held that the impugned standing order is to be taken only as assistance in exercise of quasi-judicial power of determining the value for the purpose of levy of customs duty by the concerned authorities. Having read down the standing order, the High Court held that the impugned standing order was not liable to be struck down. An application seeking review of the order dated 4/4/2001 was made by the present appellants, which came to be disposed of on 25/4/2001. It is from these orders that these two appeals arise. In view of the limited leave granted by this court, the controversy in these appeals is confined to the legality and validity of the standing order. The question now is whether the impugned standing order in any manner interferes with the independent quasi-judicial function to be discharged in the assessment of duty by the assessing officer. Whatever be the language employed in the standing order, which may suggest that the said instructions are in the nature of mandate or command, High Court has read down the impugned standing order purely as instructions or guidelines and not mandate or command for being obeyed in each individual case of assessment before them. The High Court further held that standing order is to be taken only as an assistance in exercise of the quasi-judicial power of determining value for the purpose of levying of customs duty. We agree with the view of the High Court. As a matter of fact, it is the case of the department as well that the impugned standing order is not binding. It is just in the nature of guidelines to streamline the functioning of customs officers at various fields formations. According to the department, the impugned standing order was issued for the smooth functioning of assessment and examination work and to bring about uniformity in the work. Stop.